As of October 2025, checking your Tracfone balance, minutes, and service days is straightforward. Dial 777 directly from your Tracfone for an automated voice update on your remaining minutes, data, and balance. Alternatively, use the Tracfone My Account app on iOS or Android, or visit the website to log in with your phone number and PIN for a detailed breakdown. Tracfone sends SMS expiration warnings 7 days before your service days run out. All balance check methods are free and instant when connected to the Tracfone network. Tracfone's My Account app has been enhanced for 2025, offering real-time push notifications for low balances and upcoming renewals. Once logged in, the app dashboard clearly displays your remaining minutes, data balance, and service end date. Minutes refer to your talk time, and service days indicate how long your plan is active. Remember, unused minutes don't roll over. Setting up auto recharge in the app is a great way to avoid service interruptions. If you're using a data-only or hotspot plan, use the app or website to check text-based minute balances. The app is easy to use and preferred by most Tracfone users.